South Africans. On the line we are joined by Mpendulo Mbatha ozokhuluma nathi la. Ke sikhuluma indaba yebusiness leimbuzo. Qhamuka lapha eqhakaza Goats Association chairperson khona. Mthiya.
Good morning, family, and everybody that is listening. I'm happy to be back home.
You know, Shandu, I have so many questions for you. But I guess the fact what you're saying with the industry is actually so huge is one that is obviously of keen interest to Bantu. So mbuzo wami uthi, do we then go goat milk or goat meat?
Yeah, now you mentioned two different industries, right? One of the things that I'm mentioning in my training is that one breed, one industry, one product.
Okay.
We are talking about different breeds now. When you're talking meat, there are those meat-centric breeds, or and then when you're talking milk, you're talking other forms of breeds. We have over 300 breeds of goats all over the world. But in South Africa, we have more in common, about 15 that are common, which is Amangoni, Amapura goats, Kalahari reds, those are for meat, Savannas, and then you have Sinans and Alpines, those are for milk, specifically for milk, because Amasinans actually produce about 10 liters a day of milk. Within the milk industry, you still have Alpines and Sinans. Alpines produce more fatty, full cream milk, and then Amasinans, they are more like skim milk and so on. So we have different. We have a lot of goat breeds that actually are